choose this topic because I feel that this topic is interesting and it is not commonly talked about in Brunei society. And in this topic, I'll be talking about why allergies happen, the symptoms, their classification, whether these allergies can be cured or not, and their origin. Before I dive more into this topic, let's talk about the definition of allergies. Allergies are the overreaction of the immune system which cause the body to defend itself against specific harmless substance. This includes symptoms such as runny nose, sneezing, itchiness, and even stomach and skin problems. Our immune system produces antibodies, which these antibodies help to identify a particular allergen as harmful, even though it is not. When we come in contact with the allergen, this allergen will cause your skin, your airway, and digestive system to feel hot, which it's inflame us inside. And for those who don't know, allergens are any substance which is most often inhaled or eaten that is recognized by the immune system and cause an allergic reaction. Some may ask, how severe can allergic reactions be? It actually differs from different person to another person, and it can be deadly from a minor irritation to anaphylaxis, which is a potential life-threatening emergency. Now we dive into the symptoms of allergies, which each allergies have different symptoms. For example, hay fever, also known as allergic rhinitis, can cause sneezing, itching of the nose, eyes, or roof of the mouth, runny or stuffy nose, and watery red swollen eyes. Another allergy is food allergy, which can cause tingling of the mouth, swelling of the lips, tongue, face or throat, and anaphylaxis. This is an example of the symptoms of the allergic reaction, and that is a warning for those who have food allergies. Another type of allergy is atopic dermatitis, which is commonly known as eczema. This can cause skin to itch, redden, flake, or even peel. Another type is drug allergy, which, for example, includes antibiotics and penicillins. This can cause itchy skin, rash, facial swelling, wheezing, and also anaphylaxis. For those who don't know what anaphylaxis is, it is a severe allergic reaction that can cause a life-threatening medical emergency. And signs and symptoms of anaphylaxis includes loss of consciousness, a drop in blood pressure, nausea, and vomiting. Our immune system reacts to foreign substance that does not cause a reaction to other people. And this includes examples such as pollen, pet dander, and certain foods such as peanuts. This is another example of pet dander, and that is a magnified image of pollen. And these are the warnings of those who have allergies, which can be found at roads and food packagings. Now we go into the classification of allergies. There are 4 types of allergies reaction, which is the first type is type 1 hypersensitivity. This is known as the immediate or anaphylactic type reaction. This may be caused due to pollen, food, drugs, and insect stings. The second type is the hypersensitivity 2. This involves specific antibodies called the immunoglobulin, the IgG, and IgM. This is often seen after an organ transplant, where after the organ is transplanted, the body does not accept it as its own. Third type is type 3 hypersensitivity. This is an immune complex mediated reaction and is bound to form an antibody and antigen. This leads to the cascade reaction in the body which can destroy the tissue in our body. And examples are as such follows. The last type is the type 4 hypersensitivity. This is the delayed or cell-mediated reaction which is mediated by a special cell called T cell lymphocyte. These cells may take a few days or few hours to mount an allergic response. Example includes contact dermatitis such as poison ivy rashes. Some may ask, and many are wondering, whether are we born with allergies or we, as an adult, develop it. Some people have chances to be born with allergies, with higher genetic possibilities developing allergies more than others. Whether a person will actually go on to develop symptoms depends on many factors. However, some scientists and most people also says that nobody is born with allergies. And there's a case study saying that 50 million people of the United States who suffer from allergies develop these once their immune systems came into contact with the culprit. And finally, some may ask, can allergies be cured? Well, the cure is yet to be found by scientists and specialists. However, there is this one method that can be used to slow down the reaction, which is called the Allergy Immunotherapy. This is a therapy which is a disease-modifying therapy. And instead of offering permanent symptom relief, this is the closest to the cure that can slow the reaction. This can make people, and it can decrease symptoms and decrease the medication intakes. This will also allow medication to work better and increase the quality of life of the person, which this therapy can help those with allergies to live a better life for around 3 to 5 years. For my conclusion, the knowledge regarding allergy should be shared more in our society because it is not common and for better understandings. And this is to prepare themselves in case of a sudden emergency. Although allergies cannot be cured, it still can be reduced if precautions are taken. That is the end of my talk. Any questions can be asked in the comment section, or you can visit our BTEC blogspot in the description, link in the description below. Thank you for watching.